हाय गाइस एंड वेलकम टू अ ट्रू टॉक विद टी। माय नेम इज तनिष्का एंड आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। आज का वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल है बिकॉज आई एम मेकिंग अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट, समथिंग दैट all of you have been asking me to do, and finally I'm doing it. So stay tuned and let's get straight to it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please take 1 second to join the community by subscribing to the channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, so guys, basically I'm gonna be announcing my first ever giveaway. I think that's what we should call it, just to keep creator lingo in terms. But yeah, my first ever giveaway on this channel. I'll tell you what the giveaway is so that आप पूरा सुनो end तक, और बहुत ज़्यादा important है, so miss मत करना. So the giveaway is basically I'm gonna be selecting 3 lucky winners from this channel who will get a free one-on-one 1 hour consultation session with me. So for people who know, I reply to every single comment. Apart from that, I do not reply to DMs. Anybody who tries to DM me for anything, any CFA related doubt, career related doubt, I never reply to DMs. It's a very strict policy that I follow because of some indecent things that have happened in the past. You guys can understand, also for my own safety and security, I strictly do not do that. Instead, what I do is I take consultations, career consultations, and these are paid consultations. Okay, so I take a 30-minute consultation or a 60-minute consultation, which is 1 hour. And a lot of people have benefited from it. So basically, if you have any doubts that you cannot put on the comment section, या कुछ personally आपको पूछना है related to your CFA journey, your career, preparing for a job interview, and you want insights, you want me to check your CV, anything like that, we do in that career session. Of course, we take CFA study plans as well, but this giveaway is for the career consultation. You're gonna get it free of cost, and you'll get the 1 hour session, not the 30-minute session, the 1 hour session. So 3 lucky winners will get that. But uske liye, obviously, giveaway hai, kind of competition hai. I'm not gonna take a lucky draw as such. There's gonna be a whole system that's gonna follow, and I'm gonna tell you that. So if you can see, currently my channel is almost on 10,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Jai Mata Di, Jai Baba Ji. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's been a very roller coaster kind of journey. Technically, I've been on YouTube since 2020. मेरा एक दूसरा पेज था, for fun and chill वाला पेज था. बट ये चैनल भी मैंने आई थिंक 2022 में चालू किया था, बट ऑफिशियली लाइक मेकिंग इट अ फुल टाइम जॉब, लीविंग अ वेरी हाई पेइंग जॉब, मेकिंग इट माई फुल टाइम करियर was from August 1, 2023. And since then, like that's when I started growing this channel. Like August 1, I think it was barely 300, 400 subscribers, and today we're so close to 10,000 subscribers. I don't know, I'm feeling a lot of million things in me. And वैसे मैं कभी नहीं कहती, मतलब सिर्फ वीडियो के स्टार्ट में एंड में मैं कहती हूँ जो मुझे लगता है हर क्रिएटर का प्रोटोकॉल होता है कि सब्सक्राइब, बट अदरवाइज आई एम नॉट समबडी हु कम्स इन सेज की सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. ऐसे यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा प्रमोट नहीं करती इन टर्म्स ऑफ सब्सक्राइबिंग टू द चैनल. बट अब मेरा बहुत दिल कर रहा है. होता है ना, व्हेन यू आर सो क्लोज टू अ सर्टेन माइलस्टोन, यू जस्ट वांट टू फील इट, एंड आई ऑल्सो वांट टू फील इट. So if you guys know, I'm currently in the UK with my family. I've just become a masi. Thank you for the wishes. But yeah, I've just become a masi and I'm here with my entire family, and I'm gonna be here till the first week of July. तो मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा मन है कि ये milestone, which is the first milestone for this channel, because for every content creator हम बोलते हैं ना, the first proper milestone is that 10,000 mark, and thereafter every, you can say 10, so 10 ka 20, 30, 40, then, but the big milestones are like that first 1,000, then the 10,000, then the 100,000, 1 million, whatever. So obviously 10 is gonna be a super super special one. It's been literally years of hard work, and I'm being a little bit selfish here, but I want to feel or experience that milestone with my entire family together. I don't want कि एक भी इंसान मेरी बहन यहाँ पे होगी, हम इंडिया में होंगे तब ऐसा हो. नहीं, मुझे चाहिए कि हम सब साथ हों when that milestone happens, and only you guys can help. प्लीज़ प्लीज़ प्लीज़, बहुत कम मैं बोलती हूँ, बट प्लीज़ हेल्प मी हिट दिस माइलस्टोन. आई डोंट नो आप लोग कैसे करोगे बिफोर द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जुलाई. सो बाय एंड ऑफ जून वी हैव 1.5 month to do it. प्लीज़ करा दो. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू फील दैट जॉय. एंड ऑब्वियसली उसी के बेसिस पे ये गिव अवे मैंने बनाया है. सो अगर आप लोग मुझे ये माइलस्टोन हिट कराओगे तो गिव अवे होगा. The giveaway will happen literally the moment the channel hits 10,000 subscribers. There'll be one thank you video for sure. The second video will be the announcement of the giveaway. I will not wait a single day thereafter. But giveaway करने के लिए we have to follow some rules. Number one is you need to share your favorite video of this channel जो भी है on your Instagram story. Okay, you have to share it on your Instagram story with the channel link. So you have to tell people to basically subscribe to the channel because अभी हमारा target है. Please. बहुत बहुत कभी कभी बोलती हूँ लेकिन बहुत अंदर से मुझे कराना ही है. सो शेयर इट ऑन योर इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी. उस स्टोरी का लिंक कॉपी करके यू हैव टू पुट इट ऑन द कमेंट सेक्शन. नाउ आई नो यू गाइज विल बी लाइक अरे हमने डाल दिया आपने नहीं देखा. तो 24 आवर्स के अंदर अंदर हम सारे कमेंट्स देख लेते हैं. इवन इफ यू डोंट रिप्लाई ऑल कमेंट्स आर व्यूड एटलीस्ट, राइट. समटाइम्स यू वुड सी कि आपने शायद पहले कमेंट किया होगा लेकिन किसी का कमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा अर्जेंट है तो हम इमीडिएटली उसको रिप्लाई पहले करते हैं. At least we try to keep track. So your comments would be viewed, don't worry about it. So yeah, step number one is you have to share your favorite video of this channel on your Instagram story, basically with the channel link. So you have to ask people to subscribe to the channel on Instagram story, and us story ka link has to be added in the comment section. Along with that, you need to comment down below what your journey has been with Truly Tanishka and why should I basically select you? Like, why should you be the lucky winner to this channel? What is the connection that you've had with my channel? What is it that you feel or why do you think that you should be the winner? You deserve that consultation session with me. Uske basis pe, comments ke basis pe, first of all, anybody who doesn't share the story link invalid. For the points, we're going to read it, and who obviously deserves it the most, the top 3 people will get the chance of getting the free consultation. So yeah, it's a giveaway. It's a reward system giveaway. But उसके लिए आपको 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स का टारगेट मीट करना ही पड़ेगा. मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है.
समझने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे हो.
प्लीज प्लीज बोलो.
क्या प्लीज कहने से क्या होगा?
अरे भाई एक आदमी प्लीज कर रहा है, रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है आपको, तो रिक्वेस्ट समझ में आता है कि नहीं? रिक्वेस्ट
करना ही पड़ेगा. थोड़ा सा डॉन टाइप नहीं साउंड किया मैंने. हूँ नहीं, मैं बहुत प्यारी हूँ, आई प्रॉमिस. पुकी. But anyway, I really want to experience this moment. It's been a very, of course these few months have been very well, touch wood, but it's been a very difficult last year for me in terms of especially professional decisions, even the CFA failure, you guys know. तो now I really want this one thing, and मैं बहुत कम आप लोगों से ऐसी चीज़ें मांगती हूँ. तो please help me reach the target before July 1st. So before July 1st and 2nd, like end of June तक let's meet the target. And कर सकते हो यार, आप लोग मेरी YouTube family ही हो, and I know you guys will do it for me. So please let's hit this target. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the giveaway section. Also, once we hit 10,000 subscribers in August, I might just plan a live meet and greet. Should we not? मुझे बताओ. Obviously पहला meet and greet बॉम्बे में होगा. For everybody will be like, कहाँ होगा? Obviously मुंबई, but August में होगा, जुलाई में नहीं होगा. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. तो अब तो कराओ. 10,000 subscribers is the new goal for this channel, which you guys will help me meet very soon, and I will also reward you. And of course CF videos आएंगे every Monday, Wednesday, Friday और रोज एक short आएगा. So yeah, I'll see you then. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely